Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to design an envelope C6 on the Canva application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Go to the prints button next to the videos section and go to the cards and invitates section. And in the fourth option, go to the envelope C6 landscape option. Here you can find more chains if you want to add videos, images and audio files to your projects. Just go to the upload button, and here you can upload the images, videos or audio files to the Canva, or go to the gallery section. Here you can find images and videos from your device. In the elements section you can search different graphic elements, for example stickers, photos, charts, frames and grids and more. If you go to the design section you can find different styles and templates which were created by professional graphic designer, and just select the template and step on it. You can edit this template. If you want to change the style of the template, go to the template style button in the design section and click that, and done. If you want to change the background color, just tap to the white square icon next to the design section and select another color. If you want to move an item on your project, just click that and you can move that. If you want to change the text of your envelope, just click the text box and write your text, and done. You can edit this text. Just click the arrow next to the barlow condense button, and here you can find the different text styles and font type. If you want to change the size of your text, just click to the plus or the minus icon, and done. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.